Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve this hacker rank problem based on the algorithm implementation. Problem name is as given apple and orange. If you love fruits, then you will become happy when you find some fruits in your house. How you will get some fruits? So you have to understand this the problem statement. Sam house has an apple tree and an orange tree that yield an abundance of fruits. Using the information given below, determine the number of the apple and the orange that land on the Sam house. In the diagram below, the red region denotes the house where the S is the starting point and the T is the end point. The apple tree is the left of the house and the orange tree is to the right. Assume the tree are located on a single point where the apple tree is a point A and the orange tree is point B. When the fruit falls from its tree, its land d unit of the distance from its tree of the origin along and the x-axis. A negative value of the d means the fruits fell d unit into the tree left, and the positive value of the d means it fall d unit to the right of tree. Given the value d for m apples and n orange, determine how many apple and orange will fall on same house, that is in the inclusive range of S and 10. For example, same house is in between 7 to 10. The apple tree is located at position 4 and the orange tree at position B is equal to 12. There are M is equal to 3 and apple and 3 apple and N is equal to 3 orange. The quantity of apple and orange both are the same. Apple are thrown as in given array 2 and 3 and 4 minus 4 unit distance from the A and the orange 3 minus 2 and minus 4 unit distance. Adding each apple distance to the position of the tree, they land at apple tree is located at the position A, which is 4, so I am adding 4 plus 2, 4 plus 3 and 4 plus minus 4. The value will become 6, 7 and the 0. This is the actual position where the all apple tree art is present after falling from the tree. Orange land at the position. Orange is located at the position 12, so I am adding 12 plus 3, 12 plus minus 2, 12 plus minus 4, and this value will become 15, 10 and 8. This is the actual position where the orange is present. Okay. So, 1 apple and 2 orange land in the inclusive range of 7 and 10. In the list of the apple, only 1 apple falls in between 7 and 10. In the group of the orange, 2 orange, 10 and 8 falls in the between 7 and 10. So, we will print first apple, how many apple falls in between the range and the how many orange falls in between the given range. You may understand this function description, so I am skipping. Let's move to the input format. The first line contains two space separated integer denoting the respective value of S and T, which is the starting point and ending point of the Sam's house. The second line contains two space separated integer denoting the respective value of A and B, which is the location of the orange tree and the apple tree. The third line contains two space separated integers denoting the respective value of m and n. The fourth line contains m space separated integer denoting the respective distance of each apple fall from the point A. The fifth line contains the n space separated integer denoting the respective distance of each orange fall from point B. Let's understand this constraint. The value of the S, T, A, B, M and N will be in between A and 10 to the power 5, and the value of the negative value will become 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 5, and the value of A will always lesser than the S, and S always be lesser than the T, and the B always and T will always lesser than the B. It means the apple tree will be always in the left side of the house, and the orange tree will be always in the right side of the house, and the S and T is the starting and the ending point of the house. Let's understand this output format. Print two integer on two different lines. For each output we have to print in the different individual line. The first line integer the number of apple falls that on the same house that I already discussed previous. The second integer the number of the orange that fall on same house. You may see here 7 and 11. 7 and 11, this is the starting point of the house, and this is the ending point of the house. A and B, next input is A and B. This is the location of the apple tree, and the 15 is the location of the orange tree. This is the value of the A, and this is the value of the B. 3 means 3 apple falls from the tree, and the 2 orange from the fall from the tree. So these are the value for the apple, and these are the value for the orange. Finally, we are returning printing 1 and 1 based on the calculation how many apple and tree falls between the given range, that is the 7 and 11. As you may see here, apple position is the 5, so 5 plus 2 is equal to 3, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and the range is 7 to 11. So for first 3 line for the apple calculation, so only one apple falls in between the same house. For the next orange position is the 15, so 15 plus 5 is equal to 20, and 15 minus 6, that is 9, and so 9 falls between 7 and 11. So one more one apple falls, one orange is also falls in the same house. So that's it about the explanation. Let's move to the code editor so that we will write some code and see all these things in action. First we need to calculate how many apples and orange falls in the same house. So I am creating one integer type of variable and giving name as apple, and I am going to create one more variable of type integer orange and giving name as orange and initializing with 0. I am going to use for each loop in apples. This is the array. I am iterating each item, and I will check this item falls between the given range or not. If If we fall between the given range, then I will increment the apple. First I'm checking for the apple. Both the size of the apple and the orange will be different, so we need to use two different for loop for each loop. If both sizes is equal, then we can use only one for loop. So let's use one for if block. If app plus a greater than equal to s and app app plus a less than equal to t. Okay, if this condition satisfied, then only I am incrementing apple by 1, apple plus plus. I need to write similar code, so I am going to copy and paste to save some time. org for orange, org and orange. Similarly, I am checking for the orange. If the orange plus no, this item would be B, not the A. Okay, if the orange, the present item plus the initial point, that is the B, is greater than S and the lesser than T, lesser than or equal to T, then only I will increment the orange and the apple. Finally, I am going to print on the console dot write line. I will use write line because we need to print in the separate line. Apple console dot write line, and now write line. Now I am printing orange. We can do it in this way also. First I am calculating for the apple and printing the apple, then after I am calculating for oranges and printing orange. That's it about the coding. Let's run this code for sample test case validation. Yeah, it passed the all sample test cases. Let's again submit this code for final evaluation. Yeah, it passed the all test cases without any time complexity issue. So guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you not subscribed yet, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.